swish, swish, bish.
We have found the objective. It is time to prepare for Operation Canoe.
Let's go! Team Red!
We must train to get stronger. They have to get stronger. Gonna sneak all the way around, and we will dive behind the shed. We will army crawl up to the canoes. We will get under the canoes. We will steal the canoes, and we will run with the canoes. Any questions? A better question might be, why wouldn't we steal a canoe? Don't worry, we'll take the canoes to the lake and sail away. They'll never catch us. Semantics. This isn't gonna work. We're gonna have to try something else. Use your head. Yeah. We're stealing canoe. Everybody split. The power I've gained through my training. Uncle, 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 uncle.